Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dr. Krista Gibson, and this is the Veterinary News Network video blog. We talk a lot here about preventing and avoiding disease in our pets. But what about preventing and avoiding injuries in our pets? Cranial cruciate ligament ruptures is one of the most common injuries that we see in dogs, and it's painful too. We tend to see it mostly in dogs that are overweight or dogs that don't get enough exercise. Let's follow our friend Travelin Jack as he makes his way through the diagnosis and treatment and his very interesting case. This is Jack. Jack's pretty special. He writes Jack's Tracks, a travelogue for New Mexico tourism. Although his tracks are a bit off today, he's still special. He has a special injury, and he's on his way to see a special veterinarian because in his travels, he tore a ligament in his knee. Like people, dogs have two cruciate ligaments in their knee to help stabilize the joint. A sudden twisting motion, like slipping on ice or even a car accident, can cause a rupture of these ligaments and some severe pain. Injuries like Jack's affect millions of dogs, and even a few cats, every year. After careful diagnosis, which is usually aided by x-rays, surgery is scheduled. Depending on your dog's weight and size, there are several types of procedures that can help get your pet back on his feet. In Jack's case, the surgeon decided that the tibial tuberosity advancement procedure, or TTA, would be best. Just like a human hospital, Jack is prepped for surgery and wheeled in to see his surgeon. Then, in a matter of just a couple hours, Jack's surgery was complete and he's ready for his pain medications. One of the most important parts of the entire healing process is the recovery period. Because the surgery helps reduce the pain, many dogs are ready to run and play in just a few days. But it's important for pets to carefully restrict activity after surgery to allow for proper healing. Cruciate tears are pretty common and can happen to any pet. Veterinarians say that moderate daily exercise, as well as keeping your dog at an ideal weight, are two important keys in avoiding these injuries. As you can see, Jack's back at his job, traveling the state, finding all the cool, pet-friendly places in New Mexico. And he's doing great. All thanks to his dedicated owner and special veterinary surgery team. It's important to remember that without surgery, pets with this injury will become arthritic and painful over time. Labs, Rottweilers, and other large breed dogs are most commonly affected, but like I said before, this can happen to any pet, including a cat. If you have a pet that suddenly comes up lame, don't wait, call me. The sooner we get them diagnosed and treated, the better the end result. I'm Dr. Krista Gibson, and thanks again for visiting the Veterinary News Network video blog.